Hey guys, good morning. Hey, just another quick video on few add-ons what we have done to make this bike more touring friendly. So see, as you guys can see, I've gone with a Rhinox Magna Pod bag, which can be used as a tail bag, like what I'm doing right now, and it can become a backpack, and it can also become a magnetic tank bag. So not a great fan of using this as a magnetic tank bag, because this would get some smudges and scratches on my beautiful black tank. So hence I prefer to use this as a tail bag and as a backpack. So guys, as you can see, this is somewhere around close to 30 liters as an expanded volume. So as you can see, I have a lot of stuff put in here. I have my entire GoPro kit and a zipper on the top to store some valuables, and it's got pockets here, a rain cover along with that just in case, and a mobile pouch, and a little bit visibility, especially useful if you are using it on the tank for navigation, etc. And another pocket here to store some cables, etc. So that's good. Yeah, another pocket here guys, so to keep some water and other stuff. So yes, overall it's been sitting quite snugly on the rear seat, not even moving a bit at all. So that's one bit. And again, I've gone ahead with this particular mobile holder here, as you guys can see. So this can comfortably hold mobile of any size practically. So guys, this is the particular product what I bought on Amazon. I'll be putting up the product links for both the mobile holder and our bags what we are using at this point. So this is again fairly simple guys. You can just install it at home just by using an Allen key. So instructions are very self-explanatory, and trust me, it's totally made of aluminum and very solid built. It doesn't shake at all, and you can put your mobile either vertical or horizontal in whatever position. So yeah, it's a great add-on on the bike. So my friend Pradeep also has exactly same mobile phone holder, but I think he's gone ahead with an extra grip kind of a thing. If
Yeah,
Pradeep can tell what
that's
exactly
from
this is.
this. You usually get it with a RAM mount, so
Oh.
I've just kept an extra thing here just to secure my phone.
Yeah, that's a good thing what he has done. And so I think it can hold the mobile more securely, but trust me, it doesn't move at all. So absolutely a great add-on, no brainer. You can just blindly go for this. It's a solid
I
build.
think it's a very minimal holder actually.
Yeah.
Otherwise, usually you'll find really big ones.
Yeah.
So this is just the profile is very small. It's out of the way when you don't want it.
Yeah.
When you want it, it's there. So
Yeah. So guys, as you saw that I have Rhinox Magna Pod tank bag, tail bag, etc. So Pradeep has something interesting here. It's a very different bag. So I would ask Pradeep what exactly this bag is, and you know how it's working for him.
So this is the Viaterra. I forget the name.
Is it
I can't remember the name. So it's the Viaterra
universal?
universal tank bag. Yeah, it's
Okay.
a universal tank bag. So they have this in two variants. So one is the one with just the strap. So this doesn't have any place for the magnets. The other one is with the magnets, so that it actually sits on a metallic tank bag. But again, I am not exactly very comfortable with putting it on the tank as of now. So both of us have just put it on the back seats. It hooks very well. So you get this long strap. You can hook it up to any anchor point on the bike, any good anchor point, either here or, as in the case of Vinay, he's put it here. And we have just tied it up at the back using the light, the solid light as the anchor point. And the main difference between this and that is, this is a bit soft, right? You can see how this is.
Yeah,
That is a bit rigid, not a whole lot rigid, a bit more rigid than this.
correct.
So it depends, I mean, what you like. If you want the bag to be a bit soft and flexible, maybe this is something. If you want a bit more rigidity than this, maybe that's the one you want to consider.
Yeah,
So I think that's the overall difference. Otherwise the features are all the same. You can if you kept it on the tank, you can keep your mobile holder here for routing, GPS. Another zip is here, zips on the side for you to keep your wallet and
I think this
whatnot.
is somewhere around 35 liters probably.
This is, no, this is no, it's not that much. It's around 21 liters or something.
Okay.
And with the expandable feature, which is here,
Yeah,
so if you just open this zip, it becomes even more expandable. I think it goes up to around 24-25 liters.
yeah, yeah.
But this is good enough for an overnight trip or a couple of days trip to somewhere. So you just throw in a jeans there and maybe a t-shirt or two with the jeans you are wearing, and you're good to go. You can go someplace, be there for 2 days, throw some undergarments in,
Yeah,
whatever.
yeah. Amazing bag, Pradeep. I really like this bag. So it's really flexible, and you know, it doesn't and stores a lot of stuff. And quality wise, it's amazing, at par or even better than the Rhinox in some aspects.
Yeah,
So
we both are big fans of Vyaterra.
Yeah.
So, actually, Vinay was the one who told me about how good Vyaterra is, and after he turned me on to Vyaterra, my default choice for anything bike luggage related now is first to go to Vyaterra and see if they have it or not. If they don't have it, then I go to all the Rhinoxes, Biking Brotherhood of the world. But I first tend to go and have a look at Vyaterra.
yeah,
They
agree
make
with you.
amazing products.
Agree with you, Pradeep. Yeah, yeah. So that's a little bit on the add-ons what we have done, guys. So yeah, we'll keep posting more and more videos as we ride our bikes more.
And more importantly, I think in the comments, let us know what specific things you want to hear about. Whether about
Yeah,
the motorcycles themselves or about motorcycling in general, because me and Vinay, we've got about... I started riding motorcycles in
50
around
years.
95.
We have about more than 50 years of
Cumulatively.
cumulative riding
Between the two
experience.
of us. Yeah.
And
I started riding motorcycles
Yeah.
from 95,
yeah,
and we are in 2020 today, so that's 25 years for me.
correct.
And Vinay must be longer. He started
Yeah.
riding much earlier than me.
Yes, about 94, 93, 94 I've started riding, and this probably is my 25th, or I have owned more than 20 bikes in last 25 years, I think.
Everything imaginable that
so-
has been on Indian roads,
Yeah,
Vinay has owned.
so yeah, it's a long story, so we'll talk
Maybe
about it.
that's a topic for another video.
Yeah, we'll probably discuss that topic, me and my bikes, over last 25 years sometime soon. So guys, that's about it for now. Signing off. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.